to our English class of grade 4. Today we are going to discuss from which unit. Can you guess? Good. You make good guess. Then today we are going to start new unit. Can you remember which unit? Yes, unit 10. Yes, good. We had completed unit 9 in our last class. So today we are going to start our new unit, unit 10. I hope you are ready with your needed materials. Are you? I hope you are with your English book, pencil and your notebook and other eraser, sharpener, etc. Okay? If you are ready, we are going to start our today's lesson. Are you ready? Okay, let's start then. I want to show you something here before starting. Can you tell me what is this? What is this? Have you ever seen this? Okay. Can you name this? What is this? Yes, of course. It is calendar. Yes, it is calendar. And what is given there in calendar? Yes, name of month, name of year, and the name of days are also given. Yes, look here. What is the name of month here in this calendar? You can see October and November is written. October and November, these are months. Yes, it means in this Kartik month there are October and November. It means half October and half November. It means some days are of October and some days are of November there. Yes, and what is the year? Can you name the year by looking here? Yes, 2020. Yes, so it is the calendar of 2020 and the months October and November. Its Nepali month is Kartik. Yes, so you can see you can use our calendar differently in both Nepali and English month. Yes, can you name English month? Can you name? I will and follow me. Okay, okay. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. How many months are there in a year? Good job. 12 months. Yes. And in Nepali months also there are 12 months. Yes. Baisakh, Jeth, Asar, Saun, Bhadau, Asas, Kartik, Mangshir, Push, Magh, Phagun, Chaith. How many months are there? 12 months. Yes. But they don't come together. English and Nepali months or English and Nepali dates are a bit different. Yes. For example, what is the first month of a Nepali month? Baisakh. Nepali month is Baisakh. And first month of English is January. Yes. January starts not in Baisakh. It starts in Posh. Yes. So some differences you will find there between Nepali month and English month. Yes. So here we are going to see the calendar of Kartik month. It means the English months are October and November. Here in this Kartik month, both the months are together there, November and October. Okay, now you can see first October, you can see some days of October here at first and you can see some days of November here. Okay, first of all I want to show you from first day of Kartik. It means Kartik first, this is October 17. Yes, October 17, October 18, October 19, October 20, October 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. And now November starts. Yes, now from here November starts. Yes, November 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and in this way 2 months are together in Kartik months. Yes, so in Kartik months both the months October and November are there. Yes, English October and November, Nepali Kartik months. Can you now tell me what is the today's topic? I hope you have already guessed here. Today's topic is Deepavali. Yes, Deepavali. Have you heard the name of Deepavali? Of course, it is one of the greatest festivals of our country. Yes, we say Tihar for this festival too. Deepavali and Tihar. Similar name is. Then when does Deepavali generally fall? In which month does Deepavali fall? Especially, generally, Deepavali falls in the month of Kartik. It means sometimes it may be in October and sometimes it may be in November too. Generally, it falls in October or November. Yes? Can you remember? Okay. Now, how do you find when Deepavali is? By looking at the calendar. Can you find out Deepavali here by looking at this calendar? Is there written anything? No. You have to go here, okay? In some calendars, the festivals are written there along with the dates, but in some calendars like this, the festivals and the important events are given under the day and name of the day and name of the month. Yes, you will also find different days here. Like here, Sunday. What are the days on Sunday? You can see the days on Sunday, then Monday, then Tuesday, then Wednesday, then Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yes? Then how many days are there in a week? Of course, there are 7 days. Yes? And how many months are there in a year? We had discussed previously. Yes? There are 12 months. Yes? 12 months and 7 days. 12 months in a year, 7 days in a week. Yes? Good. Now, you will get the idea how can we see the important events there in the calendar. Look here, the important events are written here. Now, you are looking at the calendar of 2020 or in Nepali, you can say 2077, yes. And you will see here, there are different days are given, different events are given there. And you will find when the Deepavali is, yes. Now, tell me, in which day does Deepavali fall in this year? Can you look here and tell me? Yes, you can see the letter written in red one is red color. Look here, 29th, yes, and 30. Okay, it means where is 29? 29 Kartik, 29. Can you find here? Yes, 29 Kartik. It means November 14. Yes, November 14 and 30 means November 15. November 15. Yes. So, in this way, you will find the important event there in calendar too. Now, can you tell me when is your birthday? In which month? In which month is your birthday? Someone's birthday may be in January, someone's maybe in February, someone's maybe in April, March, whatever. Yes? different months. We born in different months. So someone's birthday maybe in October, November, December, yes, differently. Okay. So today we are going to discuss about the different months and different days of the week. Okay. Different months of the year and different days of the week. Now tell me, then follow me to tell the name of the months. Okay. Then you have to count which is the first month, which is the second month, and which is the third month. Okay. So first of all, follow me. Okay. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now, can you tell me which is the 12th month of the year? We had just discussed, yes? We had just read. Then can you tell me which is the 12th month of the year? Good job. It is December. Yes? Good job. Now can you tell me which is the first month of the year? Good. It is January. Yes? Good. In this way, we are going to discuss about days too. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days. You can see here. Look here. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. It means how many days are there? 7 days. Now you have to tell me, later you have to tell me which day is the first day, which day is the second day, and which day is the third day, only after singing the song. Okay, I have brought a song for you. It is about 7 days of a week. Are you ready to sing? Okay, good. Now let's sing. Look here and listen to me for the first time. From second time, we'll sing it together. Okay? Now look here. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Can you see here? Yes. Follow me, okay? Then you can follow me. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Tuesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, holiday. There are 7 days. There are 7 days we should remember. There are 7 days. Are you listening me? Okay, let's sing together once more, okay? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Tuesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, holiday. There are 7 days. There are 7 days we should remember. There are 7 days. Can you tell me how many days are there in a week? Good. There are 7 days. Yes, there are 7 days. How many fingers are there? Can you tell me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days. Now can you tell me which is the last day of the week? Good. It is Saturday. It means last day means it is 7th day. Yes, there are 7 days and the 7th day of the week is Saturday. Yes. And can you tell me, is it, do you go to school on Saturday or not? Of course not, because it is holiday. Yes, Saturday is holiday. Then what do you do on Saturday? Yes, we take bath. Then we enjoy at home, eating different foods. We enjoy with family. We enjoy playing with our father, mother. Yes, and grandfather, grandmother too. Yes, do you do so? Of course, we do so. Yes, because it is our holiday and we also do our homework there and come to school next day. Which day is next to Saturday? Yes, it is the first day. It means it is Sunday. Okay, in this way we do different activities in different days. Yes? Now can you tell me which is the second day of the week? Second day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. How many days are there? Sunday, look here. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Okay, now you have to tell me the second day of the week. Which is the second day of the week? After Sunday, there is Monday. It is second day. Yes? Now, can you tell me the fourth day of the week? Okay, now count and tell me, okay? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Which is the fourth day of the week? Of course, it is Wednesday. Yes? Good job. In this way, you have to find out the days and the position of the day. First, second, third and fourth. In this way, you have to find out the position of the month too. Are you ready to do this so? Okay, now let's go to next activity, okay? I hope you are with your book and you are looking there in page number 70. All of you please look at page number 70 and you can also look here. Look at the picture at first. What can you see here? Yes, the two children. What are they doing? What is this? Yes, this is calendar as we had also seen there is. And they are also looking at the calendar and trying to find out some dates and the months and their important event. Yes, like Deepavali, Dasai and other festivals too. Someone also may have birthday on this month. Yes, and they are also searching for the birthday of their friends. Yes, so look here, they are looking at the calendar and talking to each other. Look here. So what should you do here is you have to look at the picture, listen to me and say. Okay. So look here. At first we see that two children are talking. A and B are talking and they are talking about the different days of the week and different months of the year. Yes? Okay? Month of the year and days of the week. Okay? Now let's talk. What does A say? A says, it means suppose he is A and C is B. Okay? And he says, what is the first day of the week? He is asking to her. Yes? And what does he say? Now see here says, it is Sunday. You have also seen here. Yes? The first day of the week is Sunday. Yes? So she says, the first day of the week is Sunday. Then again, he asks another question. Let's see. Which is the seventh month of the year? Seventh month. Can you count from the beginning? January, February, March, April, May, June, July. And in Nepali, can you count? Baisakh, Zeth, Asar, Saun, Bhadau, Asas and Kartik. Which is the seventh month? It is Kartik. She says it is Kartik. Yes. And again he asks, what is the 10th letter in English alphabet? Can you tell me how many English alphabets are there? Of course, 26 English alphabets. Yes? Can you start from A and count? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Then which is the 10th letter of English alphabet? Of course, it is J. So she says it is J. Are you getting? Now, you can see different activities here. You can also hold the conversation being together with your friends, okay? And ask and answer in the same way about different months and different days of the week too. Yes? Now, let's go to next activity, okay? Let's go to next activity. Okay. Look here, have a similar conversation. We have just discussed, we have read the conversation about the two children. Now here we are going to make similar conversation dealing with different days. Okay, example is given here. For example, we have to talk about Monday. Yes, we have to talk about Monday, and to talk about Monday, A says, what is the second day of the week? Can you tell me what is the second day of the week? Of course, it is Monday. B answers. Yes? In the same way, you have to practice here. Okay? A asks, what does A ask? Now look at the box at first, and you have to talk about the things given here in the box. Okay? In the box, different name of the months and name of the days are given. You have to talk about the months and the days given here in the box. Okay? Wednesday, May, Thursday, and April. You have to talk about them. First question is, what is the, first of all, look at the words here and let's talk about the words or the name of the days and months. At first, there is Wednesday. Yes? And what does A ask about Wednesday? Let's see. What is the first day of the week? Is it? No. What is the fifth day of the week? Now count. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Where is Thursday here? Try to find out from the box. Okay? Are you getting me? Wednesday, May, Thursday. Where is Thursday? Here is. Now, B says it is Thursday. It is Thursday. Good. Now again, let's see next conversation. Now you have to search the word from the box and fill up here to complete the conversation. Okay? Now look here. What is the fourth month of the year? What is the fourth month of the year? Now start counting from the beginning, from the first month and write, okay? It is, which one? January, February, March, April. It means fourth month is January, February, March, April. It means fourth month is. And what is the fourth month? You can find here. April, yes? Good. April. So you have to say it is April. Good. Let's go to next one. What is the fourth day of the week? Fourth day of the week. Okay? You can find from here. You can find the day from here, which is the fourth day of the week. It is which day? It is Now let's count. Fourth day of the week means Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, where is Wednesday? Try to find Wednesday here. Okay, there is Wednesday and put Wednesday here. So you can say it is Wednesday. Okay, then next one. What is the fifth month of the year? What is the fifth month? It is fifth month. Count and fill here. The fifth month is, have you already done? It is May. Okay, good job. You have to do in this way. Now let's go to next activity. Here is a chant. By singing the chant, you have to do activity here which is related to vocabulary. Okay, you have to find out words. You have to make words by with the help of this chant. Okay, so first of all we will sing the chant. Before singing, let's discuss about the picture. What can you see here? There is a cat. Yes, it is just sleeping and it may be dreaming. Yes, and what is it dreaming? Can you tell? Look here, the cat is dreaming about the dish. Yes, about the foods. Dish full of what? Different items. Dish full of fish. Look here, fish, cream. Yes, and rat or the mouse, which is the favorite food of the cat. Yes, it is just its dream. Yes, and let's sing about it. Look here, follow me. Okay, little cat, as you sat on the mat, did you dream of a mouse or a great big rat? Then the cat says, oh no, not so, for I always dream of a dish full of fish and a bowl full of cream. It means the cat is dreaming. Yes, it is dreaming about a delicious food item. Yes, delicious food item or dish filled with lots of things, fish, cream, and then mouse. Yes, different items. Okay, now let's read it once more and you have to do the activity here. Okay, little cat, as you sat on the mat, did you dream of a mouse or a great big rat? Then cat says, oh no, not so, for I always dream of a dish full of fish and a bowl, look here, and a bowl full of what? Cream. So the cat says it is dreaming about different food items. Yes. Now you have to take care of the words carefully. Now you can also look this chant in your book. Then look at your book and try to underline the words later. You have to do the activity from here. Now let's go to the activity. Under this chant you will find the activity. Okay, find the words from the chant with the help of the letters. Okay, the letters are given here. The letters are not given in correct order. The word is not formed. Only the letters are given. With the help of these letters, you have to make words which are from the previous chant. Okay. Now look at the chant in your book and let's do the activity. SHID. From these words you have to make, from these letters you have to make words. Okay. I'll give some clue. With the help of this clue you have to find out the words. Okay. The first clue is that you find me in the kitchen. You find me in the kitchen. Then I'll be there in the kitchen. Then next one, I am made of glass, metal or wood. I am made of glass, whether glass or metal or wood. Okay, and you clean me before and after eating foods. Means what is it? Can you make a guess by using these words, using these letters? You have to make a word. I hope you have already guessed. Yes? Okay. What is this? Have you already done? Then let's check. What is it? I have another clue too. I am made of 4 letters. How many letters are there? 4 letters. S, H, I, D. With the help of these letters, you have to make words. Okay? 4 letters. I start with the letter D. Okay? Start the word from D. Okay? This. Is this? What am I? This is this. Okay? And let's go to next one. Next word. Look here. E-A-M-D-R. From these letters, you have to make a word. Okay? You just see me when you sleep. You just see me when you sleep. Okay? You never find me in reality after you wake up. You will see when I sleep. You will not find me when I get up. What am I? What am I then? Guess. Have you made a guess? Have you made a guess? Yes. You have to make the word with these letters. Okay? What is it? Okay, it is dream. Yes, I am dream. Good. Now next one. U-S-E-M-O. From these letters you have to make words. I'm a small animal. I'm a small animal. I live in hole. The cat chases me to eat. Then who am I? Who am I? Can you make a guess? I am mouse. M, look here. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Okay? From this letter, we made the word mouse. Yes? Next one. Let's go to next one. E-A-T-G-R. Means, now let's see some clue and guess. Okay? I am similar to important. I am similar to important. I am opposite to little. I am made of 5 letters. Similar to important, opposite to little. Okay? And I am made of 5 letters. Look here, E-A-T-G-R. Then I start with the letter G. Then what am I? Can you make a guess? Okay. Have you made a guess? Of course. Now let's check answer. It is great. Okay. I am great. Great. Celebrating. Yes. Next one. Let's go to next one. The letters are T-T-L-E-L-I. Okay. From these letters you have to make words. I am similar to small. I am opposite to big. I am made of 6 letters. I start with the letter L. Then what am I? Try to find out from the poem or from the chant. Okay? Are you looking at the chant? Okay. Now look there. What am I? Then I am little. From here, L-I-T-T-L-E, little. In this way, you have to find. Next one. E-A-M-C-R. From here, you have to make word. I am fatty substance of milk. Fatty substance of milk. I am used in different food items. I am very soft and white. I'm made of 5 letters. I start with the letter C. Then who am I? Can you make a guess? Guess. Who am I? Look here. I am cream. Now look here. C-R-E-A-M, cream. In this way, you have to find out. Okay? Now, I hope you have underlined the words in the poem chant. Okay? Now, let's see the words that we made from the given letters. Okay? The first word was dish. Second one was dream. Third one was mouse. Fourth one was great. And fifth one was little. And the last one was cream. In this way, we found the words. Okay? Now, look at the picture. There is another activity. We are going to deal with listening activity. Look at the picture and tell me what are the people doing here. Can you make a guess? What can you see there? Yes. This is color. Yes, you can see different colors here. Pink one, green, and different colors. Yes. And people are, what are they doing? They are playing with colors. They are throwing color to each other. Yes. And look here. This is, and next one. What can you see here? What can you see here? You can see people doing different activities. What are they doing? Look here. They are throwing small balloons. Yes, look here. What is this? This is a small balloon filled with water. Yes, filled with water. Yes, and there is also a small balloon, and they are throwing water through different forms. Yes, and they are singing and dancing. They are playing marble, and they are enjoying. Yes, what is the picture about? Can you tell me this first picture and this second picture? What are the picture about? The pictures are about what? Yes, Holi. What are they doing? They are celebrating Holi. Okay? Okay, now we are going to do listening activity. So before listening, I want to show you some questions here. Okay? You can also see in your book. Look here. Listen to the teacher and answer the following questions. Okay? Now look here. 2 questions are given here. After listening to the audio, you have to answer these 2 questions. Okay? Are you ready? First of all, let's see the questions. What are the questions? Okay? When is Holi celebrated? We have already discussed the people were celebrating Holi in the picture. Yes. And the question is, when is Holi celebrated? What do people throw at one another in Holi? Only these 2 questions are there. You have to answer after listening to the audio. Okay? So, listen to me. Listen to the audio very carefully. Okay? Listen to the audio very carefully and try to get the answer of these questions. Okay? Listen to me carefully. Okay? I am going to play the audio. Okay? Phagu Purnima is celebrated all over Nepal. It is also known as Holi. It falls in the month of Phalgun. People sing and dance. They throw colors on one another. They also throw small balloons filled with water. Did you listen to me? Did you listen to the audio? Yes. And can you guess what are the answers for these questions? First of all, try to guess, okay? On the audio, you listen to different activities done in Holi. Yes? So, you have to answer, when is Holi celebrated? Then, what do people throw at one another. Only 2 questions. When it's celebrated, you have to tell the time. When is Holi celebrated? Yes. And what do people throw means what do people throw each other? Yes. In picture also you had seen what do they throw each other. Yes. So I hope you guessed the answer. Now I'll repeat the audio for the second time. Then you have to check your answer. Make sure whether your answers are correct or not. Okay. Now listen to the audio very carefully for the second time. Okay. Phagu Purnima is celebrated all over Nepal. It is also known as Holi. It falls in the month of Phalgun. People sing and dance. They throw colors on one another. They also throw small balloons filled with water. Okay, did you listen to the audio? Good. Now, check your answer, whether your answers are correct or not. When is Holi celebrated? Tell me. Good. Holi is celebrated in the month of Phalgun. Yes, in the month of Phalgun. Okay. And next question, what do people throw at one another? People throw color at one another. Okay, good job. You did it very well. Then I hope you got ideas about the days of the week, month of the year, and about the festival Holi. Yes, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. And for your homework assignment, I want to tell you to write some few sentences about your favorite festivals. Okay, write at least 5 sentences about your favorite festival. It may be Dasai and another festival too. Okay, so this much for today. We'll see you in our next class. Have a good time. Bye bye.